Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to enable voice to text mode on iPhone. And this is quite simple. Right now, if you see this, normally it's standing right in the bottom, but right now it's not standing there. So we will turn this on. So hold the icon left in the bottom and then click on keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and make sure that you enable dictation. So turn that one on and do enable dictation. Right now, if you go back and go to this chat, you see right in the bottom the mic icon. And right now, if you tap on this, hey, zet wat neer in het Nederlands. Or better, say something in English. And this is exactly how this works. And now we turn this one on, aka enable. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.